Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Fitri Agustian and my friend Ajahra Diniarti. Today we will present about the use article of YouTube in improving speaking skills. The first article titled Using YouTube to Enhance Speaking Skill in English as a Second Language Classroom by Muhammad Iskandar 2020 aims to improve student speaking skill, to explore the use of YouTube in English as second language classroom, to identify the benefits and challenges of using YouTube. Methods, qualitative findings, improves pronunciation and fluency, makes learning more engaging and interactive, challenge internet access and distractions. Research gap, no quantitative data, no comparison with other methods, no focus on student levels. Possible research, quantitative study to measure improvement, compare YouTube with other method study based on different student levels. The second article, the effectiveness of YouTube as learning media is improving learning speaking skills by Putri Kristiani Siska Afriani and Dedi Afriansah 2019 aims to improve student speaking skill, to examine the effectiveness of YouTube as a learning media, to identify student response toward using YouTube. Method, quantitative finding, speaking skill improved significantly, students were more motivated and interested. YouTube help understanding pronunciation and vocabulary. Research gap, limit simple size, focus only on short-term improvement, no comparison with other media. Possible research, use large sample size, compare YouTube with other learning media, study long-term effects of YouTube on speaking skills. Third article titled Learning Speaking English on YouTube Videos, a Study on Student Perception by Roslaini 2024 aims to investigate students' perception of using YouTube videos in learning English speaking, to examine the effectiveness of YouTube as a learning medium for improving speaking skill, to identify student response and experience when using YouTube in speaking practice. Method, qualitative finding, students have positive perception toward the use of YouTube videos in learning speaking. YouTube is considered effective and helpful in improving speaking skill. Student feels more engaged and motivated when learning through YouTube videos. Research gap, the study focused only on students' perception, not actual performance improvement, limit sample size and context, specific group of students, does not compare YouTube with other digital learning media. Possible research, the effect of YouTube videos on students' speaking performance, an experimental study improving student speaking fluency through YouTube-based learning.
The fourth article is about utilizing YouTube to enhance English speaking skill FL tertiary student practice and perception. Victor and Year, Trong Ngoc Can Fan and Le Quang Tao 2022. The aims first to explore student practice in using YouTube for improving English speaking skill. Second, to investigate student perception toward YouTube as a learning tool. Third, to identify which aspect of speaking skill are improved through YouTube. The method, mixed method. The finding, first, students actively use YouTube for learning speaking through various practice, example, watching, imitating, and practicing. Third, YouTube improves several speaking aspects such as pronunciation, fluency, vocabulary, and confidence. The research gap focus mainly on student perception and self-reported practice, not objective performance stats. Next, limited to tertiary student. To result may not apply to other levels and does not compare YouTube with other technologies, example AI and tools. Finally, possible research. YouTube versus AI tools, which is more effective in improving student speaking skill. Comparing YouTube and classroom-based speaking activities in EFL learning. The fifth article is about the use of YouTube videos in teaching speaking skill. Writer and year, Elsia, Journal, Exas, author not currently visible, 2020. The aims first to improve student speaking skills. The second, to analyze the use of YouTube videos in teaching speaking. Third, to find out student responses toward YouTube videos. The method, qualitative. The findings, first, YouTube videos help improve fluency and confidence. Second, students are more active and interested. Third, videos provide real-life context for speaking practice. The research gap, not quantitative measurement of improvement, and limited participant, and lack of comparison with others teaching method. Finally, possible research, quantitative study can measure speaking improvement, compare YouTube with others media, and examine different student levels or contexts. The sixth article is about using English vlog within YouTube as a tool to enhance speaking skills. Writer and year, Amina Bibi, Said Alfi, Amira Muhammad, and Wan Farah Wan Fakhruddin, 2021. The aims, first, to explore student perception of using English vlog on YouTube to improve speaking skill. Second, to examine how English vlog contributes to language learning aspect, vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. Third, to investigate the role of English vlog in enhancing student motivation to speak English. The method, quantitative. The findings, first, students have positive perception toward using English vlog on YouTube for speaking practice. Second, English vlog improves language aspects such as vocabulary, pronunciation, contextual understanding, and slang usage. Third, English vlog significantly increases student motivation and confidence in speaking English. The research gap focus only on student perception, not actual measured speaking performance, and limited sample, 59 students from one university, and use only question data, no interview or experimental design. Next, does not compare vlog method with other learning tools. Finally, possible research. The effect of YouTube vlog based learning on student speaking accuracy and fluency using YouTube vlog to improve student confidence in speaking English.
In conclusion, YouTube can help improve speaking skills and increase students' motivation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.